Well, good Sunday evening to you. We have started to see some showers and thunderstorms starting to spark up across the area. That'll continue to move up to the north tonight. However, overnight, a big severe weather risk will be back into the forecast. That's why we want to first alert you. And to take a look behind me, we see that slight risk in the yellow shaded area. That's going to incorporate Bowie down to Bridgeport, Mineral Wells, Stephenville, and Comanche. As we continue into the overnight and into your Monday morning, well, that risk shifts to the east just a bit further. Notice that yellow shaded area. That's a level 2 out of 5 threat, and that will incorporate to the DFW metroplex as well as stretch along that I-35 corridor. And this is all going to be for your early morning commute likely. So big heads up, gusty winds, lots of heavy rainfall, and the potential for even an isolated tornado or two will be expected. Here's a look at when to see these thunderstorms move across your area. A big squall line will start to pass through our western counties 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. across the I-35 corridor into 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then after 10 continues to push off to the east. Now will impact places like Sulphur Springs and down into Tyler and Corsicana. So heads up there. It will be a nasty night ahead of us. Now, right now we're starting to see an active radar. However, sub-severe thunderstorms are flaring up. Frequent lightning, lots of heavy downpours for more of our northern counties. That'll continue to shift up to the north as we make our way throughout the next couple of hours. That will eventually enter the border of Oklahoma and continue to stream up to the north. Now, when are we expecting some of the strongest activity in our area? That's going to be overnight into the early morning commute. Here's a look at what we're anticipating around 1:30 in the morning. Lots of heavy, steady rainfall will be probable across the western counties. Big line of thunderstorms starts to move off to the east as we head into around 7:30, 7:45 in the morning. I-35 from Gainesville, Denton down to Dallas, Fort Worth, Cleburne, anticipating some of the strongest activity in your area. By the time we head into 9:45, that strong line of thunderstorms continues to push off to the east, now impacting our eastern counties by the early afternoon. But look at this, we start to clear things back up into the forecast as we migrate into the later part of the afternoon into Monday. It's not only going to be the chance for stronger thunderstorms. Gusty winds will be present. Wind gusts upwards of 30, even 40 miles per hour will be probable ahead of this storm system, but also as it passes throughout the rest of the afternoon. In the evening, settling down just a bit. However, still going to be a bit breezy out there. We will see a decent amount of rainfall, but will it be drought busting? Unfortunately, no. But even about an inch of rainfall along the Red River Valley could look at the potential for some flooding concerns for those lower lying areas. So it is something to keep in mind as we do make our way into the day tomorrow. Here's a look at your bus stop forecast. 7 a.m. scattered strong thunderstorms will be present. That temperature around 68 degrees, definitely heading out the door with an umbrella. But look at 3 p.m. 71. That's going to be your forecast high as we head into the day tomorrow. And again, that high temperature will be nice and sunny outside too. It's going to be a big temperature shift, especially as we head into midweek. This next week, we have another frontal system that'll be swinging through, and our high temperature will actually be back into the 60s. Morning lows as we continue into Thursday into the 40s in the upper 30s. So big temperature drop will be expected by Wednesday. But again, stronger thunderstorms as we continue overnight, and we'll continue to keep you first alert, Steve.